Hello, welcome to all. Today we see the chapter 8 Forms and Control. Students, please watch this video carefully. It's an advanced topic in PHP. Listen the topic carefully. Okay, now we go to the lesson. Chapter 8 Forms and Control. It is a very advanced topic in PHP. The learning object of this lesson are to understand the importance of HTML form in web application. Do you know very well HTML in the first year, hypertext markup language, the form creation in our lab. The same application can be developed in the web page in this lesson. To know the file handling technique in PHP, it means PHP file handling technique we learn in this topic. To know the basic of web page file management system, based upon the file management, it should be created with the web. So to know the basic of web page file management system, all the learning objects you learn in this lesson. Okay, what is HTML form? Main object of PHP and HTML form control are to collect data from user. Who is user? We are the user. If we collect information object of PHP through HTML form. Do you know very well? In the first year topic, form. The form control are to collect data from the user. What are the various form control? Text box, drop down text box, radio button. It is very familiar in HTML. The same topic we deal in the PHP form. Okay, the basic HTML form controls are simply 6: text input, button, checkbox, radio button, file select, form tag. Text input, very simple. You enter your name, button, OK button, checkbox, tick box, radio button, rectangle, file object, form tag. Examples of HTML form page you see in this control: text box, button, checkbox, radio box, file select, form tag. Here you see name in text box, topic, pizza topic is a radio button, pizza, this is the tomato is the checkbox, drop down combo box, and then optional extra is the checkbox, is the button, normally submit button like this. Once again, this one is for text box, this one is for radio button, this one is for drop down combo box, this is checkbox, this is the submit button. Okay, the basic, what are the basic PHP basic form handling? The form tag use submit button in two type. First one post method, second one get method. I simply show the post method and get method. Before this, the elaborate answer how to create a basic form handling in your book. You go through the book. Okay. Now, what is the post method? The input data sent to the server with a post method is stored in the request body of the client HTTP request. If you request some request, it should be posted to the post method. Input data, it means, for example, if you fill up the form, application form, you fill the form and it should be posted. This is the post method. Get method, the input data sent to the server with post method via URL address is known as query string. All input data are visible by user after they click the submit button. For example, get method means you see the PES2 result, PES1 result, get method. What are the input data? Suppose you see the public examination result, just you enter the register number and your date of birth properly. So this is the input data sent to the server. It should be posted with the help of the URL. You see the web address. You know the query. It is the query. All the input data are visible by the user after they click and submit button. If you submit it, you see the result. This is the two-way post method, get method. And then what is the basic PSP form validation? Validation is the process of checking the input data submitted by the user from the client machine. Validation means checkpoint. The checking side are first one client side, second one server side. Validation is the process of, once again, validation is the checking process. Input data, for example, if you enter your name like this. Client server validation. What is client side validation? The input data validation are performed on the client machine web browser using client side script like JavaScript or adding required attribute in HTML input tag. This is the client side validation. Client, you are the client, you validate. It should be validated with the help of the web browser. The web browser means anyone you take, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, like this. And then server side validation. What is server side validation? After the submission of data, validation are performed on the server side using the programming like PHP, ASP or JSP etc. available in the server machine. It should be, it's an advanced topic you learn in the further in your college topic. Later you see, you study college, you learn ASP, JSP, like this. All the programming scripting language you learn in your further study. Okay. Then, do you know very well? What is do you know? A HTML form will take input from the site visitor and then will post it to a back-end application such as CGI, Common Gateway Interface. Note it down. CGI means Common Gateway Interface script and RPSP script, ASP script or PSP script, whatever it is. So the back-end application will perform record processing on the passed data based upon the defined business logic inside the application. It means the HTML form should be input form. It should be the back-end application as PHP like this. Then what are the validation rules for HTML input field? Suppose if you create a form, you see name as text input, your email, your website, radio button, checkbox, drop down menu. You see all this in the form. If you create a form, these are the input field you apply: name, email, website, radio button, checkbox and a drop down menu. Okay. If you, for example, if you create a radio button, must be selectable minimum one value. For example, if you male or female, if you create the radio button, you select male or female, anyone. Checkbox, like tick mark should be in checkbox. A drop down menu, the minimum one value, like this. Then what is client side validation? Before sending the data to server side program PSP, the programmer can write few validation from browser in the client machine. For this validation, we have to add additional required attribute in HTML input tag. It is simply called as client side validation. So an example, client side validation example. This is the output. In this output, you see the username. This is what is this? The text box. Submit button like this. The proper tag should be given here. This is the output for the client validation. And then this is the next important topic, file. How to file handling in PHP. It's an important topic. The file handling is an important activity of all web page application development process. Files are processed for different tasks using the following events. Suppose if you create the file in PHP, open a file, read a file, close a file, write a file, append a file, upload a file. This is the common topic in file: open, read, close, write, append, uploading. We see one by one. How to open a file? is a keyword. fopen is a keyword, is a system function available in PHP. This function helps to open a file in the server. It contains two parameters, one for the file and the other one specify in which mode the file should be opened. The file should be opened in read or write mode. Two mode we follow. And then how to read a file? PHP read a file. fread is a keyword function, read from an open file. The file object come from fopen function. And then how to close the file? Keyword fclose. The fclose function is used to close an opened file. The file object come from fopen function. And then PHP write file. PHP write file means the keyword is fwrite. So the fwrite function is used to write to a file. Evaluation. Before I conclude the topic, once again, you see, these are the topic we deal in this lesson. HTML form control, form page example, form handling, post method, get method, form validation, two type, client side, server side, client side validation, server side validation, what is CGI or ASP, validation rules for the HTML input field, client side validation, example for client server side validation, then output for client validation, important topic file. The following topic we deal: open a file, read a file, close a file, write a file, appending a file, uploading a file, how to open a file, how to read a file, how to write a file. These are the topic we deal this. Before this, in your book, if you refer the book, some examples should be given. You should be properly show in our lab after some process after you deal in the lab. Okay, evaluation. What is form? How many types form validation? After seeing the clip thoroughly, and then you go through the answer. Follow up. If you have any doubt, give text message to my WhatsApp number. Thank you.